It was an unforgettable celebration for Jillian Ward, who celebrated her 20th birthday with a grand bash in Pasay City, complete with a mini-concert showcasing her potential as a performer. The former child star, who turned 20 last February 23, hosted a grand birthday party on Saturday, February 22 at Conrad Manila in Pasay City, which was attended by her loved ones, close friends, and colleagues in the entertainment industry. Ward was stunning in her red ruffled jumpsuit with an off-shoulder neckline, and a black mini dress with a red fur boa, as seen in the highlights on Sparkle GMA's official Instagram page. At one point during the event, the actress treated her guests to a performance of Christina Aguilera, Maya, Lil, Kim, and Pink's Lady Marmalade, complete with her own backup dancers. Jillian Ward is owning the stage like a true queen. Here's a glimpse of her powerful performance during her birthday celebration, one of the posts read. In a separate post, Ward posed for photos in a black mini dress and a white fur boa and blew the candles to her birthday cake. She then became emotional as she was seen wiping off her tears in one of the photos. Jillian Ward celebrates her birthday in style. Here are some stunning snaps from her special day. Sparkle GMA's caption read. Some of the celebrities who attended Ward's birthday party were Kylene Alcantara, Richard Yap, Katrina Halili, Kylene Alcantara, Michael Sager, Ashley Sarmiento, Marco Massa, Orson Agustin, and Pinky Amador, among others. Ward started her entertainment career as a child actress, where she first appeared in The Last Prince as a guest character in 2010. She eventually bagged the lead role in the comedy drama, True Disli It, in the same year. She was also the lead role in the Kapuso dramas, Luna Blanca, Prima Donnas, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, and My Ilonggo Girl.